Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be telling a very good VS Code extension. So if you are getting stuck and not able to analyze the code of a particular program or any other tech you are working on, let me tell you a very good extension. Just go to extension tab and search DENIGMA. Just install it. Basically, this extension will explain your code in a human language, right? Let me go into program. So just you have to do, just select the code that you want to get the explanation. Right click and explain DENIGMA. So yeah, this is the explanation given, code explanation by DENIGMA. Basically, what is happening from line number 2 to line number 23, it will explain line by line. You can check it out and do install this extension. It's very helpful. Thank you guys.